Is it okay or a good name to name a child Abu Dujana as the child's given name?
Abu Dujana is not a name, ikhwan, it's a kunya. When you say Abu Dujana, it's a kunya. Like me, Abu Suhaib, a kunya. My name is different. Okay, so you give him a name and you give him a kunya. No problem to give him a kunya, Abu Dujana. That's a good kunya, but we have to understand that we don't want to give the name of the person which is going to be a trouble for him later on. Dujana is linked to war and linked to martyrdom. And in such environment and era, I wouldn't say it advisable to put the names like this person who is from, can't remember which country, then one Sweden, one of these big countries in the top, Finland. He's on the channel actually, then it says his story about Islam. And he embraced Islam because of his scientific things and he arrived at the conclusion. The only thing that he's got a turban already, okay? And he's saying, I'm having trouble with my mother. My mother, she said, you're going to be what? A terrorist and exploding yourself. So I said to him, what's your name? I was after actually his English name or whatever. He's from that country, Finland, or what's your name? So he gave me the Islamic name that he's been named. He said, Saifullah. I said, no wonder why your mother is having trouble with you. The sword of Allah. Saifullah. Is that a name you're going to be introducing Islam to your parents? You're already actually playing on the same tunes as the public media, which is Islam to do with jihad and killing and all. You're playing the same tunes here. It's not right. Why you call you Saifullah? Abdullah, Ahmad, but not Saifullah. Saifullah al-Masloon. Yeah, Allah al-Musta'an. So I think Abu Dujana is, as I said, kunya, give a name, inshallah.